Good morning mga kabuchi. Good morning mga bantam Frizzle chicken. Welcome to our channel. So today we are going to check our garden and our garden which is invaded by our Frizzle chicken. So you may wonder why my other Frizzle chicken is there. Kay kamao na magud na manguyab ang Frizzle chicken. Naama na go direy hen diring dapita, di ba? Na ay hen diha, dira ang hen diri. So na ay hen din ha dapita naglubog. Tanawa kita iyang ikog. So iyang ikog kita na siya. So that is why ang Frizzle chicken naa dihang dapita. So this is our first line. And then the 4 limes followed were of the same age. So they are alive and okay and surviving with the Frizzle chicken. So ano sa sila duha, nakauna-una pud sila. Then sila himungaan na ila pong panguyaban ditong dapita. Awara? So manguyab sad na sila dinhan dapita. So kana siya So atong picturean ha. Ato putos sila dito kay muikyas pero liliun ta niya ato later if we will stay here for long mga kabuchi. The Frizzle chicken will also take a look at us. So for the meantime that the Frizzle chicken is out of our garden mga kabuchi. Okay. The lemon here I think is beginning to expand. We're seeing new branches here. And then the insect mga kabuchi supposed to be na atoy daghan diring lawa-lawa. But because of the presence of our Frizzle chicken mga kabuchi, so nakuan ang lawa-lawa ato ni tarungon kay motongtong diri atong Frizzle chicken. And then the few loya we have here, ginger also grow, the other died, but it's okay. So this one is alugbati I think. And then ay luya diri. But the luya here cannot survive mga ka-chicken because the Frizzle chicken will stay here man. Look at their waste over here. So supposed to be it's plenty. But then I started putting it over here. So they will rot here together with the dried leaves. So this is our project mga kabuchi. We will put in the dried leaves and then we will also put that over the dried leaves just like this so that the decomposition process will be faster mga kabuchi. So supposed to be this week we will continue doing that activity, the composting activity mga kabuchi. But here mga kabuchi, automatic it's the chicken who really put in the poo over here. So we put in the dried leaves and then it's the chicken who will put in their waste over the dried leaves. And we are hoping that the decomposition process will be faster and that after summer mga kabuchi we will start planting. And then once we are planting here na mga kabuchi, what we gonna do mga kabuchi is we will restrict the chicken. So the chicken, they will be just staying here and we will not let them pass through here mga kabuchi. Because I think this area is already enough for them mga kabutsi. So mo na siya ang ana unya na sila din handapita magpuyo. We will not let them come here. Or maybe mga kabutsi, I can let my chicken go down here, no? No, just restrict them over there. They're no longer allowed to go here mga kabutsi. And then we will rebuild this garden mga kabutsi. So our first project is to rebuild this one. So I think this is okay na. This is going to work. We have the organic matters already here, so we will just add. But then the leaves right now are not crispy mga ka-chicken because of the rain. Yes, last night. It rained last night. So the ampalaya here is happy. Ana na lang. So. Okay na siguro. Asa man mo? Magpadakop mo?
Ikaw mo, walang takaling ato. Pagbutok ko ilang ka. Ingon nga na, ngayon ko yung voters. Ang ipangayo ato ka to, magikuan ako na.
Okay, mga kabutsi, ato na sad silang sundon. Unsay ilang buhaton. Ay. Aha ka. Di pahikap. Pero gutom muna kay magpahikap na lang kay gutom man. Ngayog kaon. Okay, this is the end of our video. Goodbye to my preserved chicken. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.